6,124. Many of you may know that number already from the county's briefing today. Maybe you've seen it leading the news. And it mirrors numbers we're seeing across this state, across our country, and across the world, as records are being shattered by the number of people whose lives are being shattered by COVID-19. Here in Los Angeles, those 6,124 cases that the county announced today, some 2,694 of them in my city, the city of Los Angeles, are showing us that this pandemic, at this moment, is threatening to spiral out of control. We're at the highest risk level that we have been. We're seeing numbers that literally 3 weeks ago were half as much. In fact, in our hospitals now, we have 1,575 people who have been admitted into hospital, many of them into intensive care because of COVID-19. At this rate, our hospitals won't have any spare beds by Christmas time. This is not news that I'm happy to share, but one thing over these last 256 days of this horrible pandemic is that we've had trust, and I've always shared the numbers I receive with you as soon as I get them. Know that if those orders do come down, where we have to stop outdoor dining or limit the hours of other businesses, we will take the funds that we have in business assistance and surge them into those industries to get us through this period, to keep those businesses alive, to protect those jobs, and to make sure that they can stand up again. We could keep everything open, and eventually they will close anyway, over a longer period of time because the numbers would be even more devastating. And I think that everybody who's asking questions, those are good and fair questions, ones that I share. And the plain truth is there aren't a lot of satisfying answers out there when people always say, where exactly is this coming from? It's coming from gatherings, it's coming from public places we meet, and it's coming from the weather.